Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass newsletter. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. Today we share a tutorial for the creation of a stunning Power BI search bar and filter pane. Why a modern search bar? Power BI already has a text slicer that lets you type to search your data. While useful, it might not offer the sleek, integrated look you're aiming for. The method we're exploring today creates a familiar-looking search bar complete with useful components like a clear filters button and text showing applied filters, all built entirely with out-of-the-box visuals in Power BI Desktop. Imagine a search bar that gives the illusion of a dedicated search component, even though it's cleverly put together from existing parts. Now let's walk through how to build this step by step. The link to the tutorial is in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive daily new free Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks and more. Until next time, may Power BI be with you.